Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on my wife's 2019 Lexus NX300, and what we're going to be doing is putting on some carbon fiber mirror caps. So let me show you the current state. Alright, so right now this my wife's car is this kind of like root beer brown color, and you can see the mirror, it's got a little bit of a scuff there, but overall they're painted to match the car, which is always good. Over here it looks fine, but I found some really cool real carbon fiber mirror caps, it says online. So let's first thing we're going to do is let's unbox them and see what they look like. All right, so here they are, and they are real carbon fiber. You can see the weave on the inside, super lightweight. Obviously they are like nothing basically, and they were $91. So let's get the right side and just do a preliminary pop on there. So that's what it looks like. Now these did come with a roll of 3M tape, some thin line stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is it's pretty warm today, about 80 degrees, so not in direct sunlight, so that's going to be good. But you can see all this bug guts and stuff on there. We want to clean this really good, and we want to de-wax it at the same time. So what I'm going to do is go get a clean rag and get some rubbing alcohol and go ahead and just clean this really just the best I can, get all the dirt and grime off. Right, guys, so there it is cleaned up. So obviously I got my rag, wiped it down real good with alcohol, scrubbed all the bug guts off of it, and then took a clean rag and wiped it off and let it dry. Now these fit pretty tight, but we want to focus on double siding tape all the outside edges here, going around, then around, and then around this front piece. And then we also want to run a strip along this body line and then along this body line here, and that's going to make sure they're secured around all the edges and then in the middle, so it ensures this is not going anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and run these tape lines on this one and show you what it looks like. I started on this corner, I went up and around and ended here, then cut a new piece, came around this side, up under and back around. And then, like I said, I'm going to run this body line here, and then I'm going to run this body line right here. So what that's going to do is going to give good outside adhesion, and then good adhesion right where the wind's going to hit it the most. Now I didn't put a piece here because that concave does go around and catches really nicely, so we shouldn't have an issue. Now what I'm going to do here is go ahead and take that same rag and clean the inside of it really good, and get with alcohol, and wipe it down good, remove that sticker, and then we'll pull this double-sided tape off, and we'll put this thing on there and apply pressure all around it to get it on there nice and secure. So I'll show you what this finished product looks like on this side, and then I'll do that other one and show you what it looks like all together. All right guys, so here is what it looks like on there. As you can see, I said like this lip, you basically, when I put it on, I put this lower lip first and then pushed this part around, and it like clips on around the front right there, so you can see it holds it. So that being said, you know that tape line ran around through here and grabbed on, and then grabbed around this edge here, came around, and then we had the piece that ran here, and then the piece that ran here. So there you go. It seems to be on there pretty secure. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to the other side, and we'll show you that finished product. It's hard to tell from a distance because of how it's black, but when you get up on close, it looks awesome. So go to this other side. You can see right here, the fit's pretty nice. I do wish they came down just a little bit lower and caught the rest of this, but all in all, I think they look pretty good. Pretty nice addition. Try to set it apart from the rest of the NXs, but I'll be doing more and more since we just did get this vehicle. But right now I think it's time for a bath for the car and get it cleaned up a little bit. All right guys, so that's it for this video. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go follow me on Instagram at MustangJackson67, and drop your comments, questions below. I try to get to them the best I can. But until next time, let's keep building.